my god.
What's up? My name is Nadia. Amanda has Amanda has Amanda has
I'm trying to say Amanda has crabs, but that's not working well.
Yeah.
That's me burping. I can burp sentences if you want me to. Like,
I hate you.
see, I can burp. And people think it's gross, but I actually have friends that actually think it's awesome. You see the bubbles? You want to do another one? There's 4 of us. 4 of us. I love you guys.
I love you.
See, I love you. And then we can do it this way. This one's just creepy as hell. I like this one.
What's that? Marry me.
So that's some of my burping. This is fully burping of this one. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I don't know what else to say. I love you guys. Bye.